Water damage in a structure can result in damaged equipment, personal belongings, and structural damage. A water incursion can even create an indoor environment that can be hazardous to building occupants and restoration workers. Depending on the water source, it may contain bacteria, viruses, mold, chemicals, and even protozoa. Even water damage due to clean water, known as Category 1 water, can result in mold growth in as short as 24 hours. Category 2 water, also known as gray water, typically contains a significant amount of biological or physical contaminants that can cause sickness when humans are exposed or if it is accidentally consumed. Examples include toilet water with no feces, sump pump failures, and water discharged from a dishwasher or washing machine. Category 2 water that is not promptly removed or has remained stagnant for 48 to 72 hours may at times be reclassified as Category 3 water. Category 3 water, also known as black water, is grossly contaminated. It may contain harmful pathogens, microbes, and chemicals that can cause illness. Sources include sewage, seawater, rising water from rivers or streams, ground surface water, or standing water. Whenever water enters a building, no matter the source, it's important to have it safely removed as quickly as possible. During the drying process, other contaminants already in the building may also cause a health hazard. Buildings with materials that contain asbestos or lead-based paints may become aerosolized during the drying process, as portions of walls, ceilings, and flooring may have to be partially removed or even demolished. If not conducted properly, the drying process can result in airborne contaminants being spread throughout a property, even into areas not damaged by the water incursion. These contaminants may include mold and bacteria, viruses and protozoa, lead and asbestos, and chemical contaminants. Another concern when water is present is the risk of electrocution. Drying equipment and fans need a source of electricity. If the electricity is out of service, generators may be brought in, which also carry the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning if not properly vented. To learn more about health hazards associated with drying out a structure after a flood or water incursion, or other health and safety, environmental, or indoor air quality issues, please visit the website shown on the screen.
IAQ TV, the place to be.